Imagine taking a video like this and turning it into a super high quality 4K video like this in just one click. Today, I'm going to share with you 100% free AI video upscalers that you can use to upscale your videos without paying a cent. So the first tool that I want to share with you is called SeedVR2, and in order for us to run this tool, we need to install a free container for this tool called ComfyUI. So to do that, go to comfy.org/download and go ahead and download the desktop version of ComfyUI. It is free. Go through the normal installation steps. Once the installation completes, click the finish button. Choose how you would like to run ComfyUI. Personally, I'm going to choose local, which basically means that you don't need to pay anything and all the calculations and all the processing is done on your computer. If you don't have a powerful computer, you can go for the cloud version, but you will need to eventually pay for it. But today we're focusing on the free method, so choose local and then click continue. Once the installation finishes, you will see a screen that looks roughly like this, and this is going to contain all the different AI tool templates that you can use. However, we're not going to use any of these default templates. I'm going to show you how to use a custom template specifically for upscaling your images. And at some other time, if you want to browse any of these, there's a ton of different templates with really cool things that you can do over here that involves image manipulation, video manipulation, and so forth. Now, go ahead and click the link in the description below, which will open this GitHub link. And when you're on this page, find this file, SeedVR2 HD Video Upscale JSON, click on this file, and then go ahead and download this file. Then drag and drop the JSON file into your ComfyUI workflow to open it. You're going to see a bunch of errors over here. Don't worry, we're going to fix them. Just go into this area that's called extensions at the top, click in there, and then make sure that you type in this ComfyUI SeedVR2_video upscaler and install this whole pack. You'll see the prompt at the bottom to restart ComfyUI in order to apply your changes, so go ahead and do that. After that, if you see any other errors over here under missing models, just click download all and ComfyUI will go ahead and download all the missing extensions and models that it needs. As you can see now, my system is just downloading all of the extensions. After you do that, once again, don't forget to apply changes. All right, so now we're ready to go. The only remaining error here is that we need to actually load the video that we want to upscale. So let's go ahead and do that. Click this button over here and open the video from your computer. So I'm going to upload this MP4 video. Let's do a quick preview of it. So I'm just going to open it and you can see that it's quite grainy. It's a dancing woman. So you can drag this around like this. And now let's just go through the settings of exactly how we want this workflow to work. The key setting here is model. So just go to this model over here and you can experiment with various models that you can see here on the screen. As a rule of thumb, 3B models that start with 3B, these ones at the top, are less resource intensive. So if your computer is slow or doesn't have a lot of RAM on your graphics card, I recommend to go with 3B. Now, 7B generally produce higher quality results. However, they're more resource intensive. So if you choose 7B and you start getting errors, then I recommend to just drop down to 3B. And lastly, if you look at this 7B sharp, these models generally are good for processing cartoons and various abstract type of footage. If you choose sharp on this video though, it might produce results that are not pleasant and just a little bit kind of overburned. So let's go with one of these 3B models. I'm going to choose this one. And under output over here, just choose the resolution that you would like. You can choose it to 1080, or if you want 4K, then enter the 4K resolution. As you can see over here, our video is now processing. And by the way, if you have a PC or laptop with low memory, then I recommend that you look at a couple of settings. For example, I only have 6 GB of video RAM on my laptop. So for me, I chose batch size 1. So this is one critical option for you to choose to minimize the impact on memory. So now let's compare the outputs of what was the original file versus the file after we have processed it. So you can see the difference, and you can see that SeedVR2 has actually done a pretty good job upscaling the video. There is a lot more detail in the upscaled video. It is looking quite natural, and I don't really see many things that seem odd or unusual. It actually is looking really nice and really crispy. The next free AI upscaler that I want to show you is free.upscaler.video, and it's a completely free tool. You don't even have to register, and you can choose the language in which you would like to operate on the right hand side. Then here you can upload the video. I'm just going to use the same video that we did before. Once you've chosen your video, you can choose how much to upscale by, 1.5 or 2x. I'm going to go with 2x over here. And after that, you can choose the upscaling network. So depending which one you choose, the quality will go up as you choose the larger upscaling networks, but it will be slower. So here, let's just go with medium and let's click start upscaling. You will notice while this is upscaling that the GPU on my computer is working. So this is using a web version of your GPU, and your computer is basically working even though the service is fully web-based. And this one is actually progressing reasonably fast. It has been about 10 seconds and the bar says that half has been done. Actually looks like the whole thing has been completed within about 10 seconds, so that's really great. And you can go ahead and download your final file over here, and you can do this side-by-side comparison. So if you go view full screen comparison, you can play it and you can stop whichever frame you want and then view side-by-side exactly how it looks. Now, the difference is not huge, but you can see this version on the right is a little bit sharper in all details. And you can run this upscaling a couple of different times so that you can upscale an upscaled version to further increase the result. The next AI video enhancer I want to share with you is UnblurImage AI/video-enhancer. So you can access it by entering this into your browser. Once again, you don't need to register, you don't need to sign up, and it is 100% free. You can see the results that this is promising. So let us just see whether it delivers. So I'm just uploading this video now. You can see that it's getting processed and the estimated time is about 1 to 2 minutes. And you will see that the result is a little bit different. So if we look at the original clip, we have a lot of pixelation on this original clip. It's not a very easy clip to work with. And here is the processed clip. So you can see that the details are a lot sharper. However, we've lost some of the details over here, but it does look like a much clearer version of our previous clip. If we look at it from distance though, you can see that it looks much better if we're a little bit more zoomed out. So for certain videos, this UnblurImage AI might actually be a really good tool to use to upscale them. The next free AI video upscaler tool I want to talk to you about is this one here, ImgUpscaler AI video-enhancer. All right, so let's just give it a test. I'm gonna upload my video. The free version of this enhancer is limited to 5 seconds maximum. If you want anything longer, you'll have to upgrade. However, this is a free tool. The outcome is really good. And if you wanted a 10-second clip, you can always switch to 1080p and then you can get a maximum of 10 seconds. Okay, but let's just see how it looks with 2K. Let's click enhance video. All right, and let's check this out. So let's just go full screen and let's click play. And guys, now this has done an amazing job. Look at this. I mean, you can see the face. It was very pixelated before. Let me just play you the before clip. Okay, so this is what we had before. I mean, look how pixelated everything is. We don't really have a lot of detail here at all. All right, and this upscaled version has got all of the details. It actually looks really sharp and very high quality. So from here, you can go ahead and download your video. And of course, you can always break up your video into smaller chunks and just process them one after another because this algorithm and the service is really fast. Okay, the next video upscaler I want to show you is this one here, Zawa AI Enhance Video Quality Free. So you can just Google for that or check the links in the description below. And let's now upload the video. Okay, so this is our clip and we can choose to upscale to 1K, 2K or 4K. Why not go crazy? Let's just click 4K and click Enhance. And there you go, we can now compare them side by side. So let's just play the two clips together. Okay, so you can see that the 4K version has got a lot more detail, and for this particular clip I would say that this is not the best result out of all the tools that we have tested. However, depending on what clip you're trying to upscale, it can deliver better results for you. It's always good to test out a few different tools depending on which clip you're trying to enhance. Next, I want to show you this tool. So you can go to VidMage AI and under AI video, choose Video Upscaler. All right, and here we've got a few different options. So we're going to upload our video and then we can choose upscaling level. So let's go with 4x. So we want to enhance by 4 times and let's upload our video. Okay, so that's our video uploaded. This is the current resolution of that video. And you will see that the daily quota says you've got 20 seconds of video that you can upscale. However, one thing that I just want to note that if you either clear your cookies or you open this same page again, but in an incognito window, you're going to get another 20 seconds. So you can kind of work around this a little bit and it will still be a free AI video upscaler. All right, and here is the side-by-side comparison of the original video and the video that we've got from this tool. You can see that we've now got a lot more detail, which is a pretty good outcome for a free video upscaler. Now, if you guys want to learn how to turn your AI video skills into $500 to $1,000 a day, how I personally do this, you can go to fastervideos.com, enter your email, and you can get access to my training course where I'm showing you how I'm getting tons of views and making money using AI content. So go to fastervideos.com.